Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our laps and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Next, we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. We can begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then down low to our toes. Now we'll go back up high one more time. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave. Excellent, guys. And then let's go down to touch our toes. Stand up straight, hands on hips, let's have a wiggle. Wiggle side to side. Stop, another wiggle. Another wiggle side to side. Stop, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And now we can go round and round. Give our spines a nice stretch. Stop, and back the other way. Stop. And now we'll shake it out. Arms and legs have a shake. Shake it out. Excellent, guys. And to finish, we're going to do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So who can tell me what type of math problems we've begun learning about recently? Multiplication is right. We've already done addition, then we did subtraction, and now we're doing multiplication. So let's write the multiplication symbol first. The multiplication symbol, and then I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. Yes. And in the previous lesson, we began learning how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 1 digit. And what I'm going to do now, as a brief recap, is I'll do a couple of multiplication problems on the board and have our students come forward and answer them correctly. So first of all, guys, I need 3 digits. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Multiplied by 2. Okay. Equals. So let's see, we have 234 multiplied by 2. A 3-digit number being multiplied by a 1-digit number. So now I'd like my students to close their eyes. And let's see who can come forward and answer this problem for us. Okay, so the first student today is Pat. Pat, can you come and join me at the front of class, please? So remember, step 1 of our multiplication problems is to organize. So the first thing we need to do, can we write our multiplication table? So first of all, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, Pat. Then our multiplication sign, times, and then the number we're multiplying by, 2. Okay, so remembering from yesterday, guys, the first thing we need to do we start here? No. Where do we start? 1. Always on the right with the ones. So, 2 times 4 equals 8. Excellent, Pat. Then we gradually move to the left. So after the ones, tens, 2 times 3 equals 6. Well done, Pat. And then, after the tens, we go into the hundreds. 2 times 2 equals 4. So you can see how we've correctly answered our multiplication problem using the system. Always start with the ones and gradually move left. Ones, tens, hundreds. And now we have our answer. 468. So we can say 234 multiplied by 2 equals 468. Pat, that was excellent. Very well done. High five and a big round of applause for Pat, guys. What we'll do, we'll demonstrate another problem. And this time, we're going to demonstrate how to do regrouping too. When we have 10 or more numbers, how we have to move them into the next column. But first of all, I'll clean the board. So I need some more numbers, guys, but this time, larger numbers. 6 is a good start. 6, 8, 4. Okay. 6, 8, 4 is 684. Multiplied by 9. Are you sure? 9. Okay, let's do 9. Equals. Okay, so we have our multiplication problem. 684 multiplied by 9. Okay, so now let's see which student can come forward and work out this problem. Okay, and now the pen is with Prel. So Prel, can you come and join me at the front of class, please? And Prel will demonstrate how to answer this multiplication problem. So step 1, organize. We need our table. 684 times 9. And now we're ready to begin. Remembering, always start with the ones. So 9 times 4 equals 36. So what do we do? Write the 6, carry the 3. 9 times 8? 72 plus the 3 we've carried over. Drop the 5, carry the 7. 9 times 6? 54 plus the 7 we've carried over. 61. Prel, you did that so quick, it was quicker than I could. So you can see we now have our answer. And Prel has correctly remembered that now we've moved into the thousands too. So between the hundreds and the thousands, what do we need? Comma. Every 3 digits in math, we need a comma. So now we have our answer. 6,156. So we can say 684 multiplied by 9 equals 6,156. And that's how we correctly answer 3 digits multiplied by 1 digit. Prel, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Prel, please, guys. So that was a recap of the previous lesson. 3 digits multiplied by 1 digit. We're going to stay with multiplying by 1 digit, but in today's lesson, we're going to look at larger numbers. Now we're going to move into the thousands, because in today's lesson, we're going to practice answering multiplication problems of 4 digits multiplied by 1 digit. And to begin, we have a PowerPoint presentation, so our students can practice answering them together. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation, multiplication by 1-digit numbers. Lesson 2. When multiplying numbers, always start with the ones and then work to the left. That happens with every multiplication problem. No matter how many digits are involved, always start with the ones and gradually work left. So, here's our multiplication problem. 7,258 multiplied by 6. Okay, so step 1, what we need to do, organize. We need to write our multiplication table. And then we start with the ones column. So, 6 times 8. 6 times 8? Everybody agree? Yes. Shall we see? You see, we take the 8 and write it in the column, and then we carry over the 4. 48 is correct. So now, after the ones, we do the tens. 6 times 5 equals 30. Remembering the 4 we carry over, 30 plus 4 equals 34. So 4 is our answer, and then we carry over the 3. Now we're into the hundreds column. 6 times 2. Perfect, guys. 6 times 2 is 12. But we need to add the 3 that we carried over. 12 plus 3, 15. So we write 5 as our answer, carry over the 1. And now into the thousands column. So what do we need for the thousands, guys? Comma. 6 times 7? 42. Plus the 1 we carried over, 43. But now we don't have to worry. Because there's no more columns, we can just write 43 as our answer. So our answer will look like this. And our answer is 43,548. Yes, that was excellent, guys. Very well worked out. So when we have our answer, we can say 7,258 multiplied by 6 equals 43,548. Excellent, guys. Shall we do one more together? Yes, let's do one more. So what's our number this time? 9,458 multiplied, or times, we can say times 2, times 3. Remember, guys, multiplied or times is the same. Both are correct. So first thing we need to do, organize. And then once we've got our table, we can begin to do the multiplication problems. So remembering, we always start with the ones. 3 times 8, 24. So we have our answer for our ones column. We can write 4 as the answer, and what do we carry over? 2. You see? And then we move left from the ones to the tens. 3 times 5 equals 15. Excellent. You see, 3 times 5 is 15. Plus the 2 we carry over, 17. So we can write 7 and carry the 1. Now 3 times 4 equals 12. Excellent, guys. And then we carry the 1 over again. Now 3 times 9. Excellent. And because it's our final column, we don't need to carry over anymore. We can simply write 28 as our answer. 28,374. Brilliant, guys. Great to see you working that out. So we can say 9,458 multiplied by 3 or times by 3 equals 28,374. And that's how we work out 4 digits multiplied by 1 digit. Guys, that was brilliant. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can begin to understand and practice answering 4 digits by 1 digit when we do multiplication. Remembering that with 4 digits, we've moved into the thousands, so we'll always need to use the comma. And then what we've got coming up is a flashcard exercise for our students to practice more. But now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this stretch sequence, we'll begin with some rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next, we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. And now we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Now, let's shake it out. Arms and legs, shake it out. Excellent. And now, to finish, we're going to do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So now, it's time for the flashcard part of our lesson. So teachers, in preparation, what you'll need to do is print off the flash sheets and cut each of the multiplication sums into individual strips. Then fold them and place them into a bowl or tray. And what we're going to do is have our students come forward, choose a strip of paper, and answer the problem on the board. So the first thing we need is our bowl. And here we have it with its multiplication problems. So now I'd like to invite my first student to come forward. Pangpon, can you come and join me at the front of class? And choose your multiplication problem. And show it to your friends. Okay, so we have 9 times. Excellent, guys. So Pangpon, what color would you like, black or blue? Black. Black, okay. So first thing to do is to write our problem on the board. 9. Okay, so Pangpon's gone straight to answering. So 2017 multiplied by 9. Excellent. So we've organized our problem. Now, remembering we always start with the ones. So 9 times 7 equals 63. So we write the 3, carry the 6. Excellent, Pangpon, that's it. We drop the 3 and carry the 6. So now,
9 times 1
equals 9.
equals 15.
Equals 15. 9 plus 6. So we write the 5, carry the 1.
9 times 0 equals 0, plus 1 equals 1.
Excellent, guys. And then our comma, because we're going from hundreds into thousands.
18.
Okay. Excellent. So now we have our answer. Notice with our final column, if it's more than 10, we don't have to regroup. We can simply write the answer. And now we have our answer. 18,153. So we can say 2017 multiplied by 9 equals 18,153. Pangpon, that was excellent. Very well done. High five and a big round of applause for Pangpon, please, guys. So teachers, you can see the activity that we're doing in our classroom. You can pause the video now and do the same activity with your class. And remember, each time choose a different student to work out a different multiplication problem. We'll have the whole class answering together. And we're going to play on now. So let's see, next student. So now I would like to invite Down. Come and join me at the front of class, please. It's now Down's turn to choose her multiplication problem and show it to your friends. So guys, we have 8 times 4,902. Okay, so Down, what color would you like? Blue. Excellent. So first of all, let's write our problem on the board. 8 times 4,902 equals. So step 1, now we organize our multiplication table. So the first number we write 4,902 times 8. So now we're ready to begin answering our multiplication problem. So starting with the ones, 8 times 2 equals 16. Well done, Nadia. So drop the 6, carry the 1. 8 times 0 equals 0, plus the 1 equals 1. Well done, Down. Now, 8 times 9. 72, well done. So we write the 2 and we carry over the 7. 8 times 4 equals 32. Plus 7, 39. And now we don't need to regroup. It's our final column, so we can just write 39 as our answer. Perfect. So our answer is 39,216. So we can say 4,902 multiplied by 8 equals 39,216. Dan, that was amazing. Very well done. High five. Big round of applause for Dan, please, guys. Okay, time for our next student. But first, I'll clean the board. And now, I would like to invite Ned. Come and join me at the front of class. Now Ned can show how we can answer the next problem. First of all, choose a flashcard and show it to your friends. So guys, what do we have now?
8,583.
Excellent. Equals. So Ned, what colour would you like to use? Blue. Everybody choosing blue. So first of all, we'll write our problem on the board. 2 times 8,583 equals. So first thing to do, guys, organize. We have 8,583 times 2. And remember our comma for the thousands. Well done, Ned. So let's begin, as always, with the ones column. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now we move on to the tens. 2 times 8, 16. So we write the 6. So we can write the 6 again. And this time, Ned, we carry over 1. Excellent. 2 times 5. Excellent. So we write the 1, carry the 1. Well done, Ned. And now we need another comma. 2 times 8 plus the 1. 17. So in our final column, we can just write our answer. Excellent, Ned. Well done. Our answer, 17,166. So we can say 8,583 multiplied by 2 equals 17,166. Ned, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Ned, please, guys. Okay, next students. But first of all, we need a clean board. And now I would like to invite Pak Bung. Can you come and join me at the front of class, please? And stand here for me. And choose your number. And show it to your friends. 5.
2,349.
Excellent. So now we're ready to write it on the board. Pak Bung, what color would you like? Would you like black or blue? Blue. Blue. Excellent. There you go. So first of all, let's write the problem on the board. 5 times 2,349, comma, brilliant, equals. So first thing to do, as always, organize. Let's write our multiplication table. So we'll have 2,349 times. So now we're ready to answer the problem. So 5 times 9. 45. Well done. So we write the 5 and carry the 4. 5 times 4 equals 20 plus the 4. So we write the 4, carry the 2. 15. 17. So we write the 7, carry the 1. And then comma when we move into the thousands. It certainly does, and Pak Bung has answered it correctly. So our answer, 11,745. So we can say 2,349 multiplied by 5 equals 11,745. Pak Bung, that was excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Pak Bung, please, guys. And a big round of applause for everyone because you all did a fantastic job. And now it's time for the worksheet part of our lesson. So teachers, make sure every student in your class gets their own worksheet. And in today's lesson, we're concentrating on multiplying 4 digits by 1 digit. So on the worksheets today, we've got a series of problems. What our students need to do is work their way through each of the problems by using the spaces provided to show their workings out. The same way we have here with our flashcard exercise. Organize and do your multiplication table, and then you can write the answers next to the problems. And what's the first thing we need to do, guys? Write our names on top. So give our students around 15 minutes for this activity and just monitor the class and help them with anything they need. So, Chu, this one's for you. You're welcome. Pat, here's yours. You're welcome. Nadia, for you. You're welcome. Net, this one's for you. You're welcome. Down, here's yours. You're welcome. Prauf, you're welcome. Bangpon for you. You're welcome. And Lakau, this one's for you. So names on top, guys. And then, as we've been doing all lesson, just answer your 4 digits by 1 digit multiplication problems. Remembering your commas, because we're now into the thousands. And any questions, let me know. If you want me to, I can answer some on the board too. Excellent, Net. So the first thing to do is to organize, write our multiplication table. Then we can answer. Always start with the ones, then the tens, hundreds, thousands. That's it, you. Well done. So what we need to do first is write our table. You see, we have our 4-digit number multiplied by 1 digit. So what's our first one? We have 3,746. Multiplied by how many? 2? 8. Okay? So the first thing we need to do is the ones. 8 times 6 equals 48, yes. So we'll write the 8 as our answer and carry the 4. Next, we move into the tens. 8 times 4. 32. Plus the 4 we've carried over. 36, well done then. So write the 6, carry the 3. Next one, hundreds. 8 times 7. 8 times 7, 50, 56. Well done. Plus 3. It certainly does. So carry the 5. 8 times 3. 20, 24 plus. There's the answer. 29,968. Well done, Lackow. Excellent, guys. Great to see your calculations. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work their way through the various multiplication problems and answer them in the tables in the spaces provided. My students here all did a fantastic job, so well done, guys. That was excellent. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you've enjoyed it, found it interesting, and now know how to answer multiplication problems involving 4 digits by 1 digits. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.